Round of applause, please. Good job.
We at Rosewater Energy produce the most complete, highest quality energy management solution for residential application. Our device, the HUB SB20, and excuse my voice, I've only been talking for 4 days, allows for protection from nature's anomalies. We have complete surge protection. We use the same surge protection that are used in mission critical facilities. This same surge protection protects telcos, broadband providers, and the military itself, so it actually works. We power condition, and we provide the highest quality power output, regardless of input. Our output is always 120 volts, always 60 cycles. We provide large-scale battery backup. We don't back up for minutes, we back up for hours and days. We provide the ability to integrate renewables. So if you want to use a renewable energy source, our device will take it in and manage it. We have a complete software suite to manage all inputs. So the big question is, why would I build a device like that? And the reason is multifaceted, but one important reason is look at what is going on in building in the United States. This is a picture of Palm Beach Island, 1950. This is a picture of Palm Beach Island, same shot today. What used to be an island that was filled with 1,500 square feet winter homes for the wealthy to spend a couple of weeks is now filled with hundreds of homes ranging in size from 5,000 to 50,000 square feet. Yes, a modest little 50,000 square feet house, you mean you don't have one? Apart from that, so you've got more homes with no more infrastructure and no more power generation ability. Power quality goes down. And of course, we as an industry decide that in these homes, we should load them up with microprocessors by the boatload. Microprocessors hate voltage variance. When the voltage varies, the microprocessor goes boom, it stops working. The problem is the consequence of microprocessors today are catastrophic. If you have a control system that controls lighting and a microprocessor goes and your client can't turn on his or her lights, they get angry, and they should. They should absolutely get angry. Using the Rosewater device in a system prevents any of that from happening. By the way, when a microprocessor goes, do your clients blame the utility? Of course not, they blame you. I contend, you notice I have a picture of a dishwasher there. I contend that within the next decade, a product like this will be as common in a house as a dishwasher. 10 years from now, we'll get together and I will be proved correct. Please come see our device at booth 4649. Go to rosewaterenergy.com. Thank you for your time.
All right. Questions, please, from the crowd. We got questions out there.
Oh, it's so interesting. Yes.
Come on.
Well, okay, I'm not an integrator, I'm just a...
Hang on, we got a mic coming.
Now you're loud.
I'm just asking you as a normal homeowner. Does this, A, increase the energy cost of my home? B, how important is it to have for just a typical, say, 4,000 square foot home?
Okay, I'm going to answer both of those things. No, it will not increase your energy consumption or your energy costs, and in fact can decrease them. So that's point one. Importance is a difficult question for me to answer without getting to know you. Is security important? Is the reliability and longevity of your equipment important to you?
Yes.
Without understanding what your priorities are, and by the way, none of this shows up on Maslow's hierarchy of priorities, but I would want to get to, do I think it is worth it? And of course, I'm totally unbiased. I would say yes. So, but if you come by the booth, I'd be happy to actually talk to you about it.
I would imagine that you've had experience installing these things or selling these things in countries that had less than stellar grids.
Absolutely.
All right. Tell me about that, and tell me about some of the research that went into this product from that experience.
It actually really began not outside the country, but listen, I live in South Florida.
Right on.
And in South Florida, we have, I'm going to be kind, the power quality is not very good. I regularly measure 80 volts at my house. Yes, 80 volts means my microprocessors are going, I really hate it here. I really hate it here. When I have a house that my father and grandfather were born in Italy, and you want to talk about no infrastructure, no government, nobody can do anything. You know, I look at the power quality issues, and I can't even ship a TV there because it'll just blow up. It's just terrible, the power quality in this house. So that was the beginnings of my research, and unfortunately for me, or some would say fortunate, I'm a very curious person with an engineering degree, and decided I would try and figure out how to solve all these problems. And here I am.
Anybody else have a question for Joe from Rosewater? All right.
We're good. Thank you so much.
Outstanding. Joe, one more time. We appreciate it.